Last year, over 26 million bags were mishandled, but what airlines never tell you is that nearly all lost luggage follows predictable patterns you can avoid. Today, I'll show you the insider steps that almost guarantee your bag arrives with you. Most people assume it is random or unavoidable, but the truth is that baggage systems follow a set of rules, patterns, and processes that hardly anyone understands. Welcome to the channel. If you have ever felt anxious waiting at the carousel, or you have walked off a plane hoping your bag made it, this video will give you clarity and control. Today we are going deep into the real reasons bags get lost and the simple steps you can take to prevent it from happening to you. These strategies make an immediate difference, especially for seniors who want predictability and peace of mind when they fly. Let's begin with what happens the moment your bag leaves your hands at check-in. Most passengers think their suitcase disappears into a chaotic black hole, but the entire system is highly automated. Your bag is scanned, sorted, pushed onto a conveyor belt, and routed based on the barcode on the luggage tag printed by the airline. If the barcode is clean, flat, and readable, your bag moves through the system flawlessly. If the barcode is wrinkled, partially torn, stuck on a textured surface, or printed incorrectly, the system either kicks it into manual inspection or routes it incorrectly. This is one of the biggest causes of lost bags, and it has nothing to do with airline staff mishandling your luggage. It starts with the tag. When checking in, make sure the agent places the tag on a smooth area of your suitcase without wrapping it over seams or curved surfaces. If they stick it on carelessly, ask them to redo it. Most people feel shy about speaking up, but this is your property and your responsibility. A clean, flat tag dramatically reduces the risk of misrouting. Also check that the 3-letter airport code printed on your tag matches your final destination. A surprising number of lost bags come from simple human error, where a single letter is wrong or the printer glitches. A quick 1-second glance prevents days of headaches. Now, let's talk about timing. Bags get lost most often when travelers check their luggage late. Airports operate with cutoff times for a reason. When you check in at the last minute, your bag has very little time to go through security screening, sorting, and loading. While you may still make the flight, your bag might not. Seniors benefit most from arriving early anyway, and this is another reason why. Checking your bag early gives the system enough time to route it properly. The earlier your bag enters the system, the fewer opportunities there are for mistakes. Another major cause of lost luggage is tight connections. When you have a connecting flight, your bag must travel a parallel journey through the airport. It goes from the arrival belt, through another round of scanning and sorting, then onto the next aircraft. If your connection is too short, your bag may not make the transfer even if you do. Long walking distances, delays parking the aircraft, or slow unloading can easily break the timing chain. Many seniors book whatever connection looks cheapest or shortest, but that is the worst option if you want your luggage to arrive with you. Always choose longer layovers, especially in large airports. A 30-minute connection in a massive hub is almost guaranteed to put your luggage at risk. Adding a bit more time to your layover is far better than standing at baggage claim wondering where your suitcase went. Now consider the physical state of your luggage. Bags get lost when they cannot survive the mechanical systems inside airports. Loose straps, dangling ribbons, broken wheels, and torn pockets can get caught in belts or machinery. When that happens, the system automatically diverts the bag for manual handling. That slows the process down, and if the timing is tight, you may end up at your destination without it. Seniors often use older suitcases passed down over the years or bags that are comfortable but worn. If your suitcase is frayed, taped, tied with rope, or has unstable wheels, it is far more likely to cause a delay in automated sorting. Reinforce straps, remove loose decorative items, and consider upgrading to a suitcase with smooth sides and minimal external attachments. Simpler bags move more reliably through the system. There is another overlooked factor in lost luggage: identical bags. When dozens of suitcases look alike, other passengers might grab yours by mistake. This happens more than airlines admit. A black rectangle bag with a small logo is the most common design worldwide. Another traveler may take your suitcase thinking it is theirs, especially after a long flight when everyone is tired. Seniors often choose classic patterns, which are fine, but they also blend in. Add a bright handle cover, a large unique luggage tag, or a distinctive strap. Not only does this reduce confusion at the carousel, but it also helps airline staff locate your bag faster if it goes missing. Let's talk about security screening. All checked bags pass through explosive detection systems. If anything inside your bag appears unclear or suspicious, your luggage may be pulled aside for manual inspection. When this happens, the bag must be opened by security officers and then reinserted into the system. This process takes time. If your flight departs before inspection is complete, your bag stays behind. Seniors often pack medications, electronics, liquids, and specialty items that can trigger extra screening. You can reduce delays by placing dense objects away from electronics, using transparent bags for liquids, and not overpacking. A bag that is packed too tightly looks suspicious on scanners, which increases the chance of being flagged for inspection. A bit of organization gives the scanners a clearer view and reduces the odds of your bag being delayed. Weather delays also contribute to lost luggage. When storms cause rerouting, cancellations, or hurried transfers, baggage teams focus on getting aircraft out on time. Bags may travel on different flights than passengers. Seniors should always keep essential items in their carry-on because weather-related baggage delays are unpredictable. Medications, eyeglasses, dentures, hearing aid batteries, chargers, and a spare set of clothes should always stay with you. Now here is a hack that almost no one uses: photographing your bag from all angles before you check it. If your luggage is delayed, the airline will ask for identifying features. A clear set of photos speeds up the search dramatically. Airline staff enter your bag's description into a global tracking system. The more specific the details, the faster they match your luggage. Photos help them search visually rather than relying on vague descriptions like black bag with wheels. Another powerful step seniors rarely use is placing a simple AirTag, tile, or Bluetooth tracker inside the suitcase. This allows you to track your luggage from your phone. If the bag takes an unexpected route, you will know before the airline does. During delays, these devices give you peace of mind and precise information. If the airline misplaces your bag in the wrong city, you will see the location instantly. Seniors often assume technology is difficult, but these trackers are simple and require no special setup beyond pairing them to your phone. Another hack involves printing your own backup luggage tag with your name, phone number, and destination hotel. Place it inside your suitcase, not outside. If the outer tag gets ripped off, baggage agents can open the bag, see your information, and reroute it correctly. Bags without identification are far more likely to be delayed or lost permanently. A simple printed card inside your suitcase acts as insurance. Let's move to what happens when you land. Bags get misplaced when passengers rush to the carousel, get confused about which belt is theirs, or leave the area too soon. Many airports take time to unload luggage, especially if the plane parks far from the terminal. Seniors should move calmly, confirm the flight number on the carousel screen, and stay near the belt until all bags arrive. If your suitcase does not appear, don't wander around. Go directly to the baggage service office. The earlier you report a missing bag, the faster the search begins. If your bag truly went missing, having a detailed description, photos, and a tracking device accelerates the recovery process more than anything else. Airlines usually know where the bag is within a few hours, but paperwork and communication slow things down. Your preparation removes barriers. Finally, the most important mindset shift: luggage issues are predictable, not random. When you understand how the system works, you can prevent most problems. Seniors who follow these steps almost never lose their bags. You rely less on luck and more on strategy. You take control of your travel experience in a way most passengers never think about. These are the real reasons bags get lost and the simple, practical steps to stop it from happening. You now have the tools to travel with confidence, knowing your belongings will arrive with you. Thank you for watching, and safe travels on your next flight. For more calm, simple travel tips for stress-free flying, subscribe to Jet Lag Genius.